Welcome back to Deep Down Books. This is your time to slow down, to breathe, and to let English come to you naturally. You can listen while sitting comfortably. You can lie down and rest, or you can simply let this play in the background. There is nothing you need to do. Just listen. Today, we are focusing on common English phrases for daily life. These are phrases people use every day, at work, with friends, in cafes, and in simple, ordinary moments. Learning full phrases helps your brain remember English more easily. It helps you sound natural, and it helps you understand real conversations without translating every word. Let's begin.
How's it going? One of the most common English phrases is, "How's it going?" This is a relaxed way to ask someone how they are. It is friendly and informal. People use it with coworkers, friends, or anyone they feel comfortable with. If someone says, "How's it going?" you can reply with simple answers like, "It's going well, thanks. Pretty good. Not bad, just a bit busy." You don't need a long answer. This phrase is often just a friendly check-in. Take a moment to listen again in your mind. How's it going?
What's up? Another very common phrase is what's up. This means what's happening or how are you? Most of the time the answer is simple. Not much. Just relaxing. Just working. This phrase is casual and friendly. It's often used as a greeting, not a real question. What's up? I'm just chilling. When someone says, "I'm just chilling," they mean they are relaxing. They are not busy. They are not stressed. They are taking it easy. You might hear this on weekends, in the evening, or on a quiet day. For example, "I'm just chilling at home." "I'm just chilling, watching a movie." It's a simple way to say you are relaxed. I'm just chillin'. Grab a bite. Grab a bite means to eat something small or quick. It does not mean a big meal. It usually means a snack or a short meal. People often say this when they are busy. I'm going to grab a bite. Let's grab a bite before we leave. This phrase is very common in daily conversation. Grab a bite. Call it a day. When someone says, "Let's call it a day," they mean they are done. They want to stop working or stop an activity. It can be used at work or at home or after any long task. I'm tired. Let's call it a day. This phrase gently says, I'm finished for now. Call it a day.
Take a break. Take a break means to stop for a short rest. It can be physical or mental. After studying, after working, or after doing something difficult. I need to take a break. Let's take a short break. Your brain likes breaks. Language learning works better when you rest.
Run errands. When someone says, "I need to run errands," they mean they have small tasks to do. Buying groceries, going to the bank, picking up something. These are everyday responsibilities. I'm running errands today. I need to run a few errands. Run errands.
Keep in touch means to stay connected. Even if you don't see someone often, you still message or call them sometimes. People say this when saying goodbye. Let's keep in touch. It was nice meeting you. Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
In a hurry. When someone is in a hurry, they do not have much time. They are rushing. I'm in a hurry. Sorry, I'm in a hurry right now. It's a polite way to say you need to go. In a hurry. Pick up. Pick up means to collect something or someone. Pick up groceries. Pick up a package. Pick up a friend. I need to pick up some milk. I'll pick you up at 5. Pick up. Just in case. Just in case means to be prepared. Something may happen or may not. I'll bring an umbrella just in case. I'll save this number just in case. It's a small phrase, but very useful. Just in case. Get things done. When you say, I need to get things done, you mean you want to be productive. You want to finish your tasks. I have a lot to get done today. I stayed home to get things done. Get things done.
Catch up. Catch up has two meanings. First, it means reconnecting with someone. Let's catch up soon. I'd love to catch up. Second, it means finishing something you are behind on. I need to catch up on work. I need to catch up on emails.
Out of order. Out of order means something is not working. A machine, an elevator, a system. The printer is out of order. The website is out of order. Out of order. Out of order. Out of order means something is not working. A machine, an elevator, a system. The printer is out of order. The website is out of order. Out of order. On the go. When someone is on the go, they're very busy, always moving, always doing something. I've been on the go all day. I'm always on the go. On the go. Make the most of. Make the most of means to fully enjoy something, to use time or opportunity well. Make the most of your day. I want to make the most of this weekend. Make the most of it. Settle down. Settle down can mean two things. First, to calm down. Take a breath, settle down. Second, to live a more stable life. I'm ready to settle down. I want something peaceful. Settle down. Hang out. Hang out means spending time casually. No big plans, just being together. Let's hang out. We hung out all afternoon. Hang out.
Hit the road. Hit the road means to leave or start a journey. It's late. Let's hit the road. We're ready to hit the road. Hit the road. Break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation, especially when things feel awkward. A smile, a question, a small comment. It helps people relax. Break the ice. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to start something. A project, a meeting, a plan. Let's get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Long time no see. This phrase is used when you haven't seen someone for a long time. Long time no see. It's been a while. It's friendly and warm. Long time no see. I'm beat. I'm beat means very tired, physically or mentally. I'm beat after work. I'm beat. I need rest. I'm beat. A piece of cake. A piece of cake means something is very easy. That test was a piece of cake. It was a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Call it a night. Call it a night means stopping for the evening, usually to rest or sleep. I'm tired. Let's call it a night. Running late. Running late means behind schedule. I'm running late. I'll be there soon. Running late. Hold on a second. This means wait briefly. Hold on a second. Just a moment. Hold on a second. It slipped my mind means you forgot. It sounds softer than saying I forgot. It slipped my mind. I'm sorry, it slipped my mind. I'm all ears means you are ready to listen, fully focused, interested. I'm all ears. It's on me means you will pay. It's on me today. Don't worry, it's on me. Play it by ear means decide later, no fixed plan. Let's play it by ear. We'll see how it goes. Play it by ear. Under the weather means not feeling well. I'm feeling under the weather. Hit the hay. Hit the hay means go to sleep. It's late. Time to hit the hay. Not a big deal means it's okay. No problem. No stress. It's not a big deal. Wrap it up means finish. Let's wrap it up. Closing. Take a moment. Breathe. You don't need to remember everything. Your brain is learning, even now. Thank you for spending this time with Deep Down Books. If you enjoyed this practice, you can listen again tomorrow, or simply let it play as you rest. Until next time, stay calm, stay curious, and keep learning. Deep Down.